I would film another YouTube video, seeing as it's been a while and it's a really sunny day. I thought I'd do a little haul video because I've bought quite a few things recently. Most of these things are things that I bought myself, and some of them are things that I've been gifted, and I just wanted to show you them because I love them. So I'll start with this necklace because I'm wearing it, and it's something that I bought myself from Topshop. I just kicked the tripod, so that's why it just shook. But yeah, I really like it. I saw it on Hannah Crosskey. She always wears it and I think it looks really cool, and I'm not really one for wearing jewellery. I mean, I've got loads of it and I try to wear it, but I always forget. So basically I'll probably wear this constantly for about a month and then I'll forget it exists. But yeah, I just really like it, and I think it goes with most things, and it's just really simple and it kind of finishes off an outfit. And then secondly, this top is from Asos, and I'm actually doing something with them for Nike Air Max Day, which will have been by the time this video gets up. And so they kindly sent me a voucher to pick some pieces, and I picked this top because I really love the ruffle neck detail, and it's got like really nice ruffle sleeves too. And I'm a lover of white tops, so rather than fighting it, I thought I may as well fill my wardrobe with white tops that are a bit different and have some detail. So this is basically just a plain white top, but I just feel like it's got a little something special to it that makes it feel like I'm not just wearing a white top. And also, at least then, if I've got things that are a bit more interesting, then people won't think that I'm just wearing the same top every day, which I do worry that people think, because I've got about 50 white t-shirts. So when I go to work every day in like white t-shirt and blue jeans, I bet people think like I've got a Homer Simpson wardrobe, which I pretty much have, to be fair. Another thing I got from Asos, but this wasn't with my voucher. This was just because I'm in love with the other jeans that I featured in my last video. I think it was in my favourites. Is another pair of the Farley mum jeans. Let me just do them up. So literally just pick them up off my bedroom floor. These are in like a really nice light blue wash, and they've got the rips in the knees again. These, actually, I would say the rips on these when they first come were really a much nicer rip, because with the black ones it's a much heavier denim, so it was a very unnatural rip. It almost looked like they'd literally cut a square out, and so after a few wears it looked fine. But with these, because it's like a much lighter denim, it's a really nice, more natural kind of looking rip. And I also got these in my usual size, which is a size 8, whereas with the black ones I went a size up because I wanted them to look a bit baggier. But I think these, because of the denim, these fit the same, but they're a size smaller, if you see what I mean. But they're the Farley jeans, and I've got, they're probably featured in loads of blog posts, which they will be by the time this goes up, so I'll link those up and maybe put a picture of me wearing them in, if I remember. So yeah, love those so much. Literally worn them to death already. I don't think I've taken them off since I bought them. I'm actually tempted to get that pair of jeans in another colour now, because I've got 2 pairs and they're the only ones I wear. Like, I'm so over skinnies at the moment. And then the last thing from Asos is, oh, not the last thing actually, but the second to last, is my Nike Air Maxes. So these are the trainers for Nike Air Max Day, and actually I bought these after I'd had another pair of trainers, but before that I never had any trainers, and I kind of didn't really see myself as a trainer person, but I love them so much. I think it's because they're like really minimal and grey, and like they just go with anything really. But before I had them, I love that detail on the back. Can you see it too? Like before I had any trainers, I just couldn't imagine what they would go with my wardrobe, but actually trainers go with everything, and they're kind of, because they're a light colour, they kind of look smart. But I think I always thought that I'd look a bit chavvy and like scruffy, and even though I see other people wearing them and they look really nice, I just didn't think it was something that would suit me. But yeah, they look really nice and they go with everything, and bonus, they're super comfortable. So definitely converted to a trainer person, which brings me on to my next thing. These Adidas Superstars are a bit ruined now. Well, not ruined, but dirty, because I have worn them a lot, so you can tell that I love them. But yeah, I got them in the all white because I'm not a big fan, you know this bit here on the tongue, I'm not a big fan of the, when they've got the black, it's like gold there, which I'm really not a fan of. It's a bit too like in your face for me. And also I just really like the all white. But yeah, I've worn these so much with everything. I just feel like they just make me look cool. I look like a cool person when I wear them. So yeah, love them so much. I sized it down in these because they're really big. So normally I would go for a 41, an 8, and I went for a size 7. So this, I'll just pick one more piece that's gifted to me. And I actually am doing a collaboration with Jigsaw, which will be up not tomorrow but the next day, which means it will definitely be up before this goes up. And this is just one of the pieces that I picked, and I just wanted to show you it because I love it so much. It's like collarless shirt, and it's kind of patchwork, but I really like it's got like little pockets here. I don't know what it is really, if it is a shirt, but I think it will look really nice in the summer open as well as a little jacket. Like I would wear that as a light jacket with the sleeves rolled up. I think that will look so nice. Just filming a YouTube video! No, it's YouTubing! But yeah, I got this in a size 10 because I really like things to be a bit bigger. So that is why I got it in size 10. But yeah, I really like it. I think it's £90, which, I mean, I'm not someone who has a spare £90 to spend on a shirt, but having actually been in, tried it on, like, witnessed the quality and tried it out, I think definitely in the future, if I had some more money to go shopping, I probably would treat myself to something from Jigsaw, because I think the quality is just amazing. But I guess you could buy like 3 Topshop tops for that. But for someone who wears basics like me, I think it's better to have a few things that are really nice quality than to have, especially if I'm like always wearing white and black and stuff, this is going to literally go with every outfit. And obviously you can wear it as a jacket as well. I think it's better than having like 10 million things that are going to go out of fashion in a couple of months, to have one nice thing that will stay with you forever and last forever probably. Did to me. And whilst I was actually in London to meet the people from Jigsaw, I did a little bit of shopping, which is when I bought this necklace. And I also bought this top, which might be a bit dirty because I've been wearing it a lot. It's probably got the makeup all around the neck, because all of my tops do that. I hope I'm not the only one. But yeah, it's like an off-the-shoulder top from H&M. It was £8, £7.99, which I think is amazing. And I really love the material. I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of like shirt material. And it looks really nice with jeans, like a kind of double denim-y look. But I don't really like these because they don't fit me. They just kind of hang. I don't know if it's got it in a size 10 because they didn't have any other sizes, but they hang like an inch above my shoulders, so I either need to just cut them off, which is a possibility, or I was thinking of making a little snip and tying it in a little bow above my shoulders. So I'll probably try the bow, and then if it looks awful, get rid. But yeah, I really like that. I've already worn it loads, and so I'll know I'll be wearing it loads in the future. I feel like the sun's gone now and it looks really dark. I'm sat in front of my window, so I can't control the lighting because I'm not flush enough to be able to buy ring light. And then this top I'm going to take off the hanger because it completely stretches it out. I got from New Look, and I don't normally shop in New Look, but I thought I'd just have a look because I was waiting to meet Liv. And it's like, I don't know if it's a crop top or just like a really short top. And this was £9. And it's kind of like short sleeved, but like long short sleeved, if you know what I mean. And it's tight to the arm, and it's in a really nice ribbed material. And I can't tell, I think it's black and white, but I thought it was blue and white. But no, I think it's black and white. But yeah, I just thought it was really nice because I normally wear baggy stuff, and I really like this top that's not quite as baggy. And I just thought this would be really nice for the summer as well, with like a denim skirt or something, but also now layered. So yeah, and it was £9, so you can't really go wrong with that. I went a bit crazy in Zara. So this is the first dress, and this one I just really liked. My boyfriend Jack actually said that he really liked it too, and I don't know about you, but when your boyfriend tells you you should buy something, I think, like, because he always tells me not to buy stomach, not to waste my money on clothes and stuff. So when he said like, yeah, that would be really good for holiday, I was like, yes. So it's a dress from Zara. It's like really nice, oh, it's probably going fuzzy in the camera. It's like really nice striped blue and white striped shirt dress. It's like a really long at the back, and sort of like roll up sleeves. I just thought it would be so nice in the summer because it's really nice lightweight shirt dress, and also I thought it would be perfect for when we go travelling, just to kind of like throw on in the days over a bikini or something, like if we're going out somewhere. So yeah, and he agreed, so that's a bonus. So I definitely, and that was, I haven't been saying how much things were, have I? That was £22.99, which is amazing, I think, for a dress from Zara. It was from the TRF section. And then this dress, they're all quite cheap to be honest, they're all around £30. This dress is from Zara again. It's like a collarless shirt dress. It's like a creamy off-white kind of colour, and it's got really nice like, oh, I don't know what that's called, like embroidered detail on it. And I just really like the oversized kind of style. It's got like really loose sleeves. I just think it will look really nice with a pair of heels. So yeah, that was £30, and I really like that. Can't wait to wear that. I think that'll be amazing in the summer, and I'll wear it so much. Like I said before, in travelling. I need to think about the fact that actually I'm only going to have a backpack to put stuff in. So already buying stuff in March for August is probably not the best idea. But anyway, that's going to be my excuse for a while. And then this dress was also £30 this is from TRF. Let me just do it up. And I'm not really sure about this. It's quite short, but it's got little shorts underneath it. And it's quite cute though. It's like a little, so it's like deep V on the front, and at the back it's got like a cut out triangle section, if you can see. It's got like rolled up t-shirt sleeves, and then it's quite short. Liv said it looked a bit like a maternity dress, which I kind of agree with, but I do like it because I really like the colour. And again, it's the same material as that top, like a kind of shirty material, which means that it creases really badly. It's really creased at the moment. But it's got like little shorts underneath, and it's got pockets, which is always a bonus. But yeah, it's got like a little shorts, like a little play-seaty bit underneath to protect your modesty. Thanks, Zara. Oh, the sun's just come out just as I'm about to finish my video. How thoughtful. But anyway, thanks very much for thanks so much for watching, and let me know what you like, and if you think I should take the maternity / baby dress back or not. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also I'll leave loads of links below to my blog and Instagram and Snapchat and whatever, so you can follow me. And thanks for watching. Oh, please give this video a thumbs up too. That's so kind and helpful for me to know whether you like the video or not. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye!